Regular website maintenance is really key to stopping people bouncing off your website, because once they've bounced, it's going to hit your search rankings. Google, everyone else notices, it affects and hinders your SEO. So the worst thing that people can do is they go to your website and in your footer it says copyright 2018. What happened in the last 5-6 years? Why have you not updated? Is that a mistake because it's not dynamic, but you have been updating your website? Or maybe your prices are out of date as well. There's just something about the content that feels really, really dated. And I know this is something that most of you would have thought about at the point of designing websites, but you might want to get back in touch with your clients and say, look, I've noticed you're on like page 20 of your Google search rankings for a particular niche. I've looked at your website. It's quite dated. I think you need a bit of a makeover, and here's where you need to do it. I'm not talking about a full-blown one, but there are certain pages or areas that if we were to make over, boost your keyword, definitely get your copyright and all of that dates bit fixed to be the current year, and make it dynamic so that it automatically updates for you year on year, people might gain more trust in your website. Because if you think it's an old website, you're not sticking around. Off you bounce.